sibonge abafundisi and the whole congregation. Selasi EFF, because we wanted to come and pay our respect and tell the church and the elders of the church that we respect them and we think they've got an important role to play in the transformation of our society. So Sila, because on Monday, King's Wellington Stadium, we have a rally of young people. So sithe hayi sinyathela amabala and report our presence so that when you see red in KZN, don't be shocked. Your children are here. We are the children of this church and we've got a huge respect for them. Thank you.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Julius Malema bega vakashele alisondo lakwashembe, and a lot of people had so much to say about kuvakasha kwakhe lapha kwaShembe. So labanye abantu bebatebute ukuthi yini reason lenda ukuthi aze ayovakashela lisondo lakwaShembe. Some people were even saying ukuthi hey, maybe this time Sotoze awine akuma elections because suze wavakashela kwaShembe. Ndlela bekade thobe ngayo ibonge kuzosho nokuthi nguye Julius Malema ngishakhuluma speech sakhe lapha nabo ubona ukuthi utiqocile ilimi lakhe nalo ligadile, uyabona nje ukuthi cha la ngikhona khona namuhla kuhlukile. So people are saying ukuthi we wonder kwende njani ukuze uMalema aqina yovakashela lapha kwaShembe. So these are the videos and the pictures akhe. So siyabona bathatha ama picture nje bathatha ama video angasahlekeleli uMalema khipha wonke amatinyo. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. So goodbye.